Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food plant-based diet. On my channel, you're going to find really quick and easy recipes that anyone can do. So if that's something you're into, then please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every week. And be sure to follow me over on Instagram for more plant-based content. As always, the full recipes will be in the description box, as well as links to all the resources that I offer. I have an online course and a few other things down there that you may find of interest. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some really quick and easy, I wouldn't even call them recipes, some of them. If you're a person like me that does do some food prep, then this video is going to be for you, because some of the recipes are just pulling things from my fridge, heating them up, and you're good to go. And others I will show you how I make it from beginning to end. In these recipes I want to show you how easy it is to eat whole foods and to get adequate protein throughout the day. If you're like me and you're postmenopausal and you're trying to build muscle, then I think these meals will really be helpful for you. So I'm going to do a quick oatmeal, I'm going to do a tofu bowl, I'm going to do a stir fry, I'm going to show you a quick snack, and also a really delicious easy dessert. So let's get started. All right, so for a really quick breakfast, I'm just going to do about a half a cup of oats. I'm going to do a pinch of salt and about 3/4 cup of water. And I'm just going to give it a good stir. Then I'm going to microwave it for a couple minutes. And then I'm going to show you the things that I like to add to my oatmeal to give it some sweetness, to give it some protein, a little bit more protein than just the oats. So to finish up this oatmeal, I'm just going to add a few things to it. So I'm going to add some protein powder. And this is going to really thicken it up. You'll see. So I'm going to add some soy milk to this. You could add whatever kind of plant milk you want, but I prefer the soy milk because it has more protein. And depending on your consistency you like for oatmeal, you might not want this much milk in here, but it will thicken up. And then I've got some blueberries, banana, and then I've got a little bit of flaxseed and cinnamon. Yum. And I highly recommend you get Ceylon cinnamon. It's so much better than just your regular cinnamon. And if you want your oatmeal, like I said, thicker, thinner, then you can adjust the liquid. Then I'm going to add in a half a banana, and this just gives it that sweetness. And this will keep you full for quite a long time. And then I've got some blueberries, about a 1/4 cup. Look at how big these are. Gorgeous. I got those at Trader Joe's. So just add those in there. And then you are good to go. So this is my lunch today, and this is why food prep is so important, because I had my crispy tofu here already prepared. I had baked some sweet potatoes already done. And then I had steam. So this lunch took me like 2 minutes to throw together, put it in a bowl, heat it up, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon or so of my sweet chili sauce. And then that's lunch. And how easy is that? So food prep is key for staying on track. This plate right here has over 30 grams of protein and about 350 calories. And with adequate protein, this meal will fill me up and I will stay full and satisfied till the next meal. And then I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch, and then I'm gonna show you a quick snack, I'm gonna show you dinner, and I'm gonna show you a really quick dessert. And here's one of my favorite snacks, is just an apple. This is an envy apple, which is my all-time favorite. And then just a little raw almond butter, and I just use it, I only use like a tablespoon, and I just put a little bit on each little apple slice, and it's really sweet and delicious and satisfying. So I think this is a perfect little snack. So for dinner tonight, I'm gonna make like a chicken. Of course, it's not gonna be chicken. I'm going to make a stir fry with some of my soy curls. These are the soy curls I use. I get them on Amazon, and they are just basically soy, but they have a very nice texture and they taste really good in a stir fry. So I've got like 3/4 of a cup, and then I'm just gonna add about a cup of broth, and this is the not chicken broth. And we'll just let this sit for about 10 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna throw together some vegetables and just gonna do some onion, carrots, celery. I'm gonna have some broccoli, some green beans, some kale, maybe a little cabbage. And just get that all stir fried in some coconut aminos. And then I may add a can of chickpeas, and then we're just gonna have a super easy dinner. So I've got my non-stick pan heating up on medium heat. This is the Always pan. I always get questions about what pan I'm using. It's called the Always pan. You can get it online. And I've drained most of the liquid out of my soy curls. And then I'm just gonna cook these for a few minutes, get the moisture out, and then I'm gonna remove these from the pan, then we'll get the vegetables going, and then we'll throw it all together. All right, at this point, I'm gonna remove the soy curls because they've got some good color on them. Then I'm just gonna add a little water. I just wanna deglaze the pan a little bit. And then I'm gonna add in my veggies. Add some garlic. I'm also gonna add some ginger. I love these little crushed frozen ginger, so convenient. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to get these going. Then I'm gonna add in my celery, carrots, and onion. And we're gonna let these cook for about 5 minutes till they get soft. All right, now we're gonna add some other ingredients. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of chickpeas. That's gonna give us some nice fibers, a little bit more protein. And then I've got a cup of kind of a coleslaw mix. I've got a cup of kale, and this is gonna cook way down. And then I've got some steamed broccoli. This was already done. Then I'm gonna add about a tablespoon or so of coconut aminos. We're gonna add some garlic salt. About, I don't know, 1/2 teaspoon or so. And some onion powder. About the same. It's to taste. So we're just gonna let this cook down for a couple minutes. Get everything heated through. Then I'm going to add my soy curls back in. Then I'm just going to cover this, put it on medium-low, and just let it simmer, cook in there for a few minutes. So this recipe can serve two. This is half of it right here. I just did a 1/2 cup of rice, and this will fill you up, let me tell you. I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner, and then I will show you a really quick and easy dessert. Okay, this has been my obsession lately for dessert. I've got my Kite Hill Greek style yogurt. I use 1 serving, which is 170 grams, and that is 17 grams of protein. Now, not going to stop there. Then I'm going to use my vanilla earth chimp. I'm going to put 1 scoop in here. Now, if you don't want to use protein powder, then you could put a little maple syrup in there or maybe some monk fruit. Then we're just going to mix this around, and it makes this like mousse-like quality. Okay. And I'll be having another video coming out at the end of the month that shows you how to make 2 really delicious chocolate style desserts like this. Then we just add in some blueberries. The consistency is just thick and creamy. Tastes amazing. And you've got a quick little high protein dessert. So I hope you like this video. I hope you can see that it's really not that difficult to get that protein in for the day. You want to make sure you get adequate protein. I would check with your doctor to see what he or she would think of what your protein needs are, and then try to work up to doing that. You will feel a lot better, you will retain muscle, you will have more energy. I think you will feel better all around. This video is not to tell you what to do or how you should do it. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. If what you're doing is working, then fantastic. I think some of these recipes are helpful if you are trying to get a little bit more protein into your diet. It's also really important that you eat a variety of fruits and vegetables and greens and beans. You need all that for a healthy gut microbiome. You need the fiber. It's all important, not just focusing on, oh, just protein, oh, just carbs, oh, just fats. Your body works in harmony, in symphony with all these things. It's like an orchestra, and you need all the different parts of that orchestra to make the music beautiful. So if you like this video, if you learned something, then please give it a like, share it with your friends. So if you've made it this far in this video and you are doing something similar, then comment below with "I'm in," and that way I know you're on the same journey as I am. And I really appreciate all your support, watching my videos, all your comments. I just have some great subscribers on my channel, and I'm so grateful for all of you. So remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.